Do you agree with the choice you made?
This is the threat. He certainly controls the families of the participants.
It must be known to everyone in the world. What dirty things did he do? Right.
It's really not a human.
Mr. Sun and Miss. My family is the most important. I'll vote for Michigan.
If you agree to me as the first chairman, please raise your hand.
President Jiang, since it's an election, he should be voted on it. Every campaigner here all have to conduct election speeches. I don't care if you're outside this office. What kind of activities did you do? But here we must follow the necessary rules.
Go. Sorry. You compete with Mr. Jiang. My daughter is in junior high school. The school just called. She was almost taken out. Got through this time. It doesn't mean you can escape the next time. Now quit. Please give yourself a high priority in the future.
What do you mean? I promise you, this has nothing to do with me.